Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to make a rainbow gradient text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. And here you can already see the end result of today's video. Okay, but now to start, you want to go over to Effects and under Titles choose Text Plus, just drag it in your timeline and adjust the text to your liking. Open the Inspector tab and under Title, customize your title. For example, rainbow text. Then let's make it bold. Just the size. And then what's important, go to Settings and choose the composite mode. Scroll all the way down to Alpha. What this does, it makes the text as a mask. What this means, I'll show you later. Then go to Effects, Generators, and choose the 4-color gradient. Just put them on top of your text so it looks like this. Now what you want to do is click on the 4-color gradient, then go to Settings, and here under Composite, to see the text you have to go all the way down to Foreground. And now you can already see some kind of rainbow text. Of course, if you go to Generator, you can, for example, here with the center X, you can adjust the colors, or here you can choose the upper left colors. For example, let's make it just like this, and here like this. Perfect. Then what you want to do is go back to Settings, because now we want to animate it, the effect. What you need to do is, with your cursor, go all the way to the left, and then just see, like this, the rotation angle, you see our text is cut off. Then what you need to do is click on this sign, click it, and adjust the Y so you can see your full text again. Then what you need to do is double click the rotation angle so it hops back to 0, like this. And with your cursor all the way to the left, just click on this little diamond to make a keyframe. Then you go all the way to the end of your clip, like this. And then in the rotation angle, for example, what I like to do is go with 720, just hit OK. And now, this is our animated rainbow text. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make an animated rainbow gradient text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.